I've gained the experience. I've waited, 22 years to take this step, because I felt that, hey, I needed to get this, background, this experience in my life, professionally, before I was prepared to take the step and then, sit in judgment of others. It's I don't lie about it. What you see is what you get. And I know that if anybody were to meet my clients and were to talk to them, my fellow colleagues, my friends, that have seen me in a courtroom, they will tell you that I fight hard, that I stand up for what I believe in, and that I'm going to represent my client to the best of my ability. And that certainly would go on to be, I think, great qualities in a judge that wants to give to their community, that will not be afraid to take a stand for them, for the people of the state of Texas, of Hidalgo County, and fight for them. I've been doing it for 22 years. I'm ready, I'm willing, and I'm able to do it as judge of County Court 7. It's important to me because I have, I've been practicing for 22 years, and all of those 22 years here in Hidalgo County. And I just felt it was important to give back to my community in my profession. I love being an attorney, and I know I can do a good job, as a judge for the community. Provide a fair, impartial courtroom that they can come into when they see the necessity to come into a courtroom, and feel that it is somewhere that they will be treated equally, fairly by the law, and just know that it's somewhere that they can be comfortable to come into, and in that manner, give back to my community what I've been able to accomplish by becoming an attorney and being educated in the law. I do come from a large family. I'm the youngest of 9. I'm the first one to go to college. And I think that my experience just in my life in general, that in and of itself, will serve me, because coming from a large family, you learn quickly how to see all sides, how to present your case, so to speak. And certainly how to understand others that come before you, and sort things out, and do the best that you can in applying, in this case, what would be the law. I was very lucky to have received a full scholarship to Texas A&M University, and then from there I went to UT Law. So I'm both an Aggie and a Longhorn. Some of the best education that I could ever have gotten here in Texas. And that coupled with my personal experience of where I come in that long line of 9 children, certainly would help me. UT is one of the best law schools, and the passing rate as far as taking the bar is very high. I took it once and passed it, and have been able to practice ever since. It helps a lot, and coupled together with my life experiences, certainly I think that gives me an edge in being able to now sit as judge and apply the law, and just be fair and impartial with people that come before me.